Hello, my name is Mccall. For 2 years, I've been going to King County to Superior Court for a crime I didn't commit. Originally, it was two charges: a vodka delivery and selling of marijuana intent to distribute. I've worked for 15 years of my life, 30 years old. Never been convicted of a crime besides possession of marijuana when I was 20 years old. I'm 30 now, from Montgomery, Alabama. I live in Seattle, Washington. The percentage to black people here is 6%. I always followed the law, but up here, I've been racially stereotyped. They walked up to me. One of the guys walked up to me and tried to make a sale. Asked me if I had any drugs. I told him no. I went into the store, made my purchase, and not to mention I had just got my tax money a day before, which was $5,000. Paid all my bills. It was $3,500 in a tax receipt in a tax folder. Came out of the store. The police, the SPD of Seattle, Washington, jumped off the bike, tackled me. Did not announce that they were the police. Never read me my Miranda rights. Accused me of a crime that I didn't commit. Said that they found drugs right by me, and I made a sale to the officer, and I told the officer yes, I had drugs, when I actually told him no. There's cameras all over downtown Seattle as far as where I was at, right by the McDonald's. They didn't have any camera work. They didn't have any collaborating witnesses. The only witnesses were the police. They got on the stand. After 2 years we went to trial. They lied under oath. The police lied on the oath, the SPD. I filed the investigation against them with the OPD. The OPD denied any of these employees worked for SPD, but these same employees came and testified against me in court. I'm in fear of my life. They sent me to some institute where I came back home. I signed out because they was trying to sabotage me, spitting up blood. I refused to get any kind of shots or insertions, and I told the judge that in court, and the judge agreed with me, verbal agreement. But they tried to give me a tuberculosis shot and told me if I didn't take the TB shot that I'd be put out of their facility. I refused the shot, signed myself out, and I left. Right now, I don't have enough money to receive proper representation, legal representation. I've been appointed 3 different lawyers and had them all kicked off my case because of a conflict of interest. I was denied proper attorney at least 4 times and was told that I don't get to choose my attorney, and they chose my attorney for me. I'm on my 4th lawyer now, and I'm waiting for my appeal, which the police, the SPD, lied under oath. They said that the evidence was not tampered with. The jury called me and my lawyer back and showed me that the evidence was tampered with. So their testimony is admissible under oath. And since my appointed attorney doesn't want to work for me, they want to work for the prosecutor, he got me served. I got convicted of guilty after the evidence was tampered with, and they swear under oath that the evidence was not tampered with. Leona Thomas, Ruth Rivas, and also Miguel Cotto, my lawyers for Northwest Defenders Association and Defenders Association, did not give me proper representation. And also Judge Kessler has denied me at least 9 times proper representation, and also the police did not show up to at least 3 of the omnibus hearings, and the prosecutor was allowed to have a proceeding or to have a continuance. I asked for a continuance the same week because my girl had to have heart surgery, and I was denied. Seattle, Washington makes their own rules in Superior Court. Black people are guilty until proven innocent. There's only 6% black people here.